Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how hackers are spamming Facebook, how they get your account, how they hack it. So without further ado, let's get started. I have different methods. I already provide different methods. So I already did like two videos. So this is just another new way in case you are facing some issues in that previous one. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, make sure your Facebook is always updated. Check your Facebook, normal Facebook. And note, if you want to use this method I'm teaching, make sure you are using your Android. It will be good for Android because of this cloning app. You need to download this cloning app, multi-run. So get all this ready. This multi-run, you can download it. It's for cloning app, multiple app, so that once you hack, you can use that cloning, those Facebook you clone, you can use it for many Facebook spamming. You understand? So let's continue. So once you get all this and you get a VPN, make sure you use premium VPN. You understand? You can use express VPN. You understand? Use express VPN. Grab. So once you get your express VPN, let me even update it. So once you get your express VPN, get everything updated. You understand? Then we are using so we're going for Colombia Facebook to hack Colombia Facebook. Why I'm going for Colombia Facebook is that you can easily hack multiple Colombia Facebook. You can hack different countries. If you want easy Facebook to hack and the one that it won't cost you more money, you stand. So once you go to this spamming site, I won't be revealing it. If you want the full video tutorial on how to do it, join my Telegram channel and message me. Then I will send you the full details. So I can't give you everything here on YouTube, you understand? But it's not free, you understand? It's not free. If you want the full tutorial, you understand? So on this your spamming website, for people that already pay for the tutorial, normal, that those are the people that will be seeing this spamming site here. Grab. So no, if you want to hack Facebook, there is different country Facebook, and if you check this purchase, you can see that it's one activation. This thing is 400 naira. So it's don't even reach money where they use buy account for vendors, and you understand, you never wish you never wish anything. So 400 naira na they use hack account. So even though say you hack account, the account they block am, can still go on, you understand? So this method I'm teaching you now, I already use it and I check everything. So let's go and check how to use it. So once you are on your Facebook, just go to your this thing, go to your multi-run. So once you are on your multi-run app, you can see I have the app here already. You understand? You just clone your Facebook, can clone like two, you understand? So I'll be cloning two Facebook, normal Facebook, you understand? There's normal Facebook, there's Facebook Live. So make sure you are cloning the normal Facebook, you understand? So once you clone it, now you open it, you grab, you understand? You open the Facebook, then you can click on you can just scroll and go to your express VPN, get it connected to Colombia, because we are hacking Colombia Facebook. So once you connect, go to your Facebook back and open it, you understand? Then go to your spamming site, which is this. Then activate a Colombia number, copy it, and go back to your Facebook, normal Facebook. Click on forgot password. Once you click on forgot password, paste the number, you understand? Then click on continue. You can see it on the screen. Once you click on continue, wait for the code. Go back to the once you see that they bring different options like this, you understand? Just know that this Facebook, you can't hack it, because there is like three number attached to it, or two number. So you can't hack it. If you just try it, you just waste this thing. So all you have to do is just go and activate another number, then copy it. Just do the same process. Go to your Facebook your multi on, that is the Facebook you clone, then paste it, continue, then click on this thing, then click on this get code through SM. You can see this one only have one number attached to it. Then click on continue, then wait for the code. You understand? Go back to the spam website, then wait for the code and see the code, then copy it. The code will come up. So why I'm using this website, because why I'm using this app, because normally we are using website before, but now we are using the app. So this is the process of using the app so that you can collect code. You understand? So just wait for it to load. You understand? Once you enter the code, so there may be a case once you put this thing, the Facebook will show this thing. That means the Facebook there is not good for you. You understand? You can still continue hacking. Then just go to your multi-run, clear the cache, or maybe clone another app, clear the cache, or clear the cache and clear the storage. Once you clear the cache and clear the storage, the thing will come back to the normal state. You can still use it again. Sure, you understand like this. So just click on I already have account, then click on find my account, just like say you forgot password. Understand? So then generate another number as usual. You grab, generate another number, copy, then go back to the spam website, paste it, continue. So wait for the code to come, choose on any profile. You can see. So once you know that this thing should like this, click on try another way, then you see different options. You understand? There may be a countdown, there will be a countdown on this thing. It is showing countdown, so you just wait for the countdown to go back to 0, so that there will be a space for you to send code. So once you continue, you send code, then you wait for the code. Once you wait for the code, you just wait for the code will come up as usual. So let's wait for the code. So once the code come up, just copy it. You understand? Go back to the Facebook, then paste, continue. So the next page now, they'll tell you to change your password, to create new password. So just put your new password, then click on continue. So all this remaining part you can just skip, save and skip. Understand? In case you want to log in this account on so all this part, just skip it. You understand? Don't accept everything. Skip. Grab. So you can see now, beautiful. See the kind of account we hack. And if you want to buy this from vendors, you know how much you will be buying this kind of account. You see the profile, everything. Just keep it. So once you skip, you see the profile, see the account. It even has a switch profile. You grab. It has friends. It has a lot of friends. You understand that you can add. You grab. So this Facebook, you can once you to know this Facebook is hack, you will know. Let me show you how you will know. You understand? So with all this, just go to your friend this thing, the friend side, click on the friend side. You see the old years, 3 years ago, even 7 years ago. Now, so we are saying 7 years ago. That means this account is this old account. You know, this old account. You can use it, and if this kind of account now, if you want to bomb it, you can just get your subscribe ready and start bombing. You can even bomb US clients on it. It's not that it's only Colombia, but people that know the worth of this account or know what to do with it. So if you enjoyed this video so far, please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.